everyone, so I'll share with you today how I have grown my corn plant. So this is something sweet corn, okay, that I had ordered from an online merchandise, and I got it home. Probably ordered it from Blinkit and kept it for a few days. Not in refrigerator but outside. And before keeping it, I had washed it. Okay, so when I opened it, I found some such of this type, like they have some roots coming out. Okay, so there are more. See this one, this is another one. Okay, so I decided that not to throw this away. These are not spoiled, surprisingly. And there is another one. Here is, see, I got three, right? So what I did, I just put this in coconut. Last yesterday or day before yesterday, maybe I found, or 2 3 days back, I found some such and I put them in coconut. And I will share with you the result. Okay, and I'll put these also. So here is the result. You can see this is the cocoa pit I have put it in, and as you can see here, a beautiful corn plant has come up. This cocoa pit bed actually I used for growing all different kind of seeds and plants. So I had put ginger also, as you can see, and this ginger plant is this big now. And these are some other plants, the reed plants I have put here for rooting, and here it is. Okay, so I'll put these also. Uh, there is a way of putting, right? I'll not put all of them here because just like this, put the root downwards. Okay, here you go. Okay, so isn't this beautiful? I had put in other pots also. There is mud, but clay, but they didn't grow. Okay, I don't know. I mean, cocoa pit is very suitable, undoubtedly. So this time, what I will do is, here also I have some cocoa pit. Here is one aglonema which I had kept for rooting, didn't work, and I have decided this is a, yeah, I'll put some here. This cocoa pit. This one I also have put for rooting, and this one is nothing but kalancho. The leaves are coming up already. So I'll put it. I'll not remove it. Here it goes. Let this be. And this one, this aglonema rooting, I think. Anyways, this is what I wanted to share with you. My corn plant. It's working. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.